Hello students. So today in this video I am going to explain chapter 4 from the diary of Anne Frank in your first flight textbook. So let us begin. So before beginning, let me give you a small introduction to the chapter. So a short introduction to the chapter. This lesson is an excerpt from Diary of a Young Girl or the Diary of Anne Frank. It is an autobiography that was first published in 1947. In this, Anne expresses her thoughts in a diary which was gifted to her on her 13th birthday. She names the diary Kitty, which she considers as the only true friend. She mentions about her childhood, her family, and a lot other things that she told no one else. Okay, she discussed about her childhood, her family, and other things in the diary which she does not disclose to anyone. So let us begin the chapter. Before you read, Anneliese Mary or Anne Frank, 12 June 1929, February March 1945. Anneliese Mary is also called Anne Frank, was born on 12 June 1929 and died in February or March 1945. It is not sure that she died in February or March in 1945. Was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Annie was a Jewish girl who was born in Germany. Annie was a Jewish girl. She belonged to a Jewish community and born in Germany, who wrote while in hiding with her family. So she wrote a diary when she was in hiding. She was in hiding place with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. When German occupied Netherlands in World War II, then they had to hide themselves at a place in Amsterdam. Okay, so during the World War II, they had to hide themselves in Amsterdam. So during hiding, Annie wrote a diary. Okay, so the diary which we are going to read, it was written by Annie when she was in hiding. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazis' occupation is extended into the Netherlands. Her family had moved to Amsterdam. So Anne's family moved to Anne Frank's family moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power. When Nazis gained power in Germany, they were Anne as well as their family were trapped during Nazis' occupation extended in the Netherlands when Nazis captured Netherlands, when they were extended their occupation, when they occupied Netherlands, then they had to go to Amsterdam to save themselves. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. So, when as persecutions means oppression. So, when oppression against the Jewish population, the Jewish people increased, the family of Anne Frank went into hiding in July 42. In July 42, the family of Anne Frank had to hide themselves in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. So, in Anne Frank's father Otto Frank's office building, they had to hide themselves when Nazis started oppressing Jewish people. Then, in order to save their lives, they had to hide themselves. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported the concentration camp system, where Anne died of typhus in Belsen within days of her sister. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed. After 2 years in hiding, the group broke the faith. Betrayed means to hurt somebody who trusts you, especially by not being loyal or faithful to him or her. So they themselves betrayed each other. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed. The group broken the trust, and because of that, because of the group broke the trust, the group had broken the trust, a conspiracy started among them, among Jewish people. So that's why they had to transport to concentration camp. Concentration camp means here a large amount of people or things in one place. That is called concentration. So that's why they had to transport to the concentration camp system, where Anne died of typhus. Where Anne Frank died of typhus. Typhus, a type of infectious disease, as in the present COVID-19 is an infectious disease. So in the same way, those days typhus was an infectious disease. Because of that disease, Annie died in Belsen within days of her sister. Within some days of her sister's dying, Margot Frank. So Margot Frank died some days before, and just after she died, Anne Frank also died. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group. So Annie's father Otto Frank, or Anne's father, Annie and Anne both can be pronounced. So Anne's father, Anne Frank's father, Otto Frank, was the only person who was alive, only survivor of the group. returned to Amsterdam after the war ended. And after the war ended, he returned to Amsterdam to find that her diary had been saved, and he find that Annie's diary was saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. So her father believed that it was a unique record. So considering Annie's diary a unique record, he took action to have it published. He took action and get it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. So when Annie's father went back Amsterdam, he found Annie's diary safe, and considering it a unique record, he decided to get it published, and he got it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the events of her life from 12 June 1942 until its final entry of 1 August 1944. So the diary was given to Anne Frank. Anne Frank received the diary from her father on her 13th birthday. And chronicles means written record, and the diary had written records of her life from 12 June 1942 and until its final entry of 1st August 1944. So the diary had a written record of Anne Frank's life from 12 June 1942 to 1st August 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read book. So, it was eventually translated from its original Dutch. So, it was translated from its original language, that was Dutch, into many languages. So, after some times, finally the diary was translated from its original language Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read book, and Anne Frank's diary became the world's most widely read books. There have also been several films, television and theatrical productions. So there are many films, television shows and theatrical productions took place on her diary, and even an opera means a play, even a play based on her diary. So based on her diary, films, television shows, theatrical productions and play was made based on her diary. Described as the work of a mature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Her diary describes her daily routine, described as the work of a nature and insightful mind. So the way she wrote the diary, so she wrote in the diary all about what was going on inside her. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life. So the diary gives an very close detail of her daily life under Nazi occupation. So when Nazis occupied, so what was their daily routine, how those people were afraid of the Nazis, how those people were hidden themselves in Annie's father's building. So the diary is a detailed account of all these things. Annie Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned. Anne Frank has become one of the most famous and discussed of the Holocaust victims. So during those days, victims, yes, among those days victims, she became one of the most renowned and discussed victims. Okay, so now let us continue with the chapter. So turn the page of your book. So now look at page number 50. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. So here Annie Frank tells us that writing in a diary so let's begin once again. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. So Annie Frank or Anne Frank tells us that writing in a diary was really a strange experience for her, and according to her it can be a really strange experience for anyone of any girl of her age, because she was of 13. Okay, so at her age, for any girl it can be a strange experience. So that's why she says that writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like her. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later or neither I nor anyone else will be interested in these musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. So not only because I have never written anything before. So writing a diary was not a strange experience because of I haven't written a diary before this. So not only because she had never written anything before, she had never written anything like diary before, not only because of that writing a diary was a strange experience, but also because it seems to me that later or neither I or anyone else will not be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Also, writing diary was a strange experience because, according to her, she thinks that after some years or after some days, neither she nor anyone else would be interested in all the thoughts which she has written in her diary. So, writing a diary seems a strange experience to her because she thought that later or after some years, neither she herself nor anyone else would be interested in the thoughts of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. So that's why writing a diary seems a strange experience to her. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Oh, even though it doesn't matter for her, even though either she or other people would not be taking any interest in her thoughts, even though it doesn't matter, I feel like writing. So she was feeling that she should write a diary, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. And she also wanted to bring out the things which was going on inside her mind. So here, off my chest means something that you have been thinking or worried about. So she thought that she should write a diary because she was thinking many kinds of things. Okay, she was worrying about what was happening those days. So that's why she decides to write a diary, as she was thinking about what happening those days. Those days Nazis were attacking to Jewish people, they were capturing Jewish people, they were killing Jewish people. So all these things was very strange for her. So that's why she said, I feel like writing. She felt that she should write, and I have an even greater need, and she was also feeling it as a greater need. She was also feeling it a greater need to bring out all the things which she was worrying about. So that's why she decided to write a diary. Look at the next paragraph. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of these days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. So, paper has more patience than people. She remembers a saying that paper has more patience than people, because if you share your secrets to people, so surely they can disclose you to they can disclose it to someone else. But if you write anything on paper, so paper is not going to disclose your secrets to someone else. So that's why she says that paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed. So when she was feeling a little dejected, or when she was feeling a little disappointed, then she was remembering this saying. She was thinking of this saying and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless. So when she was feeling bored and she was feeling like she had no energy, no interest, wondering whether to stay in or go out, and she was wondering whether she should stay in or go out as the world war was going on. Then she was feeling that she should write. I finally stayed where I was brooding. So I finally stayed where I was brooding. So I was staying where I was brooding. Brooding means engaged in or showing deep thought about something that makes one sad, angry, or worried. So I finally stayed. I finally stuck there where I was worried. I was worrying. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff backed notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. Yes, then she thinks, yes, paper does have more patience. So she remembers the saying, and she believes the saying that the papers have more patience. And since I am not planning, since she was not planning to let anyone else read this stiff bag notebook, she did not want anyone to read her diary, as she was not writing the diary for someone else. Okay, stiff backed means with a hard cover. Stiff backed means here with a hardcover notebook. Okay, so she was not writing that diary. She was not writing that hard-covered notebook, which was referred to as a diary to read anyone else. She was writing the diary for herself because she was feeling like writing. Unless I should ever find a real friend, and she did not find any real friend, and it probably won't make a bit of difference. And even though in future if she would find any real difference, so it won't make any difference, she would keep on writing a diary. So considering diary her friend, she started writing a diary, and she also decides she would not stop writing the diary even if she gets any friend of her in future. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. So now I am coming back. I am not moving around the bush. I am coming back and telling you the point, the point which was provoking me to keep a diary, which was provoking me to write a diary in the first place. So what was the reason of Anne Frank to write a diary? Yes, I don't have any friend. She did not have any friend. So that's why she decided to write a diary. As she did not have any friend, so that's why she decided to write a diary. Okay, so as she was feeling lonely, she was in a hiding, she was staying with her family, her father, her sister, and other 4 friends also, but there was no one whom she could trust, whom she could call her real friend. So that's why, considering the diary her real friend, she started writing a diary. So what was the main reason for to her for writing a diary? The main reason of writing a diary was she did not have a friend. Okay, so in this video that's all we have discussed, and in next video I will explain the rest part of the chapter. Thank you.